Hi, it's Gerald Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer, and today's question is, how am I different as a trial attorney? I was asked that question a few days ago by a potential client who had contacted me not once, but twice over a period of a few months. What's interesting is that he had pursued me. He picked up the phone to call me because he had questions about his possible malpractice matter. And how did he get to me? Because he had seen my videos online. He had seen my blog posts and he had seen my website, and he found my information useful. So he picked up the phone to ask me questions. And a few months went by, I had not heard back from him, and then he called to ask me some additional questions. And he told me he was interviewing a few different attorneys, and he was not very impressed with the two attorneys he had spoken to. And then he tells me on the telephone, he said, "Well, let me ask you, how are you different?" So I turned the question around and I asked him the question. I said, "What made you pick up the phone to call me? Why did you choose me out of the thousands of lawyers who practice in New York who do the same type of law that I do?" You know what he said? He said, "Because of your videos, because of the content that you have on the website, because of the information that you provide to a potential client before they ever pick up the phone to call." That's what prompted him to call. I said, "That's exactly one of the key reasons why I'm different. I provide tons of useful information online before you ever call me. You have so much information. I have 4 free books that you can read and download on your own. You can spend literally days and days on my website where you will see hundreds of videos, tons of free reports, blog posts, website articles that help educate you so that you can make an educated decision, not only about which attorney is right for you, but to understand the actual process that goes on in a particular medical malpractice or personal injury case in New York." So that answers the question about how I'm different. If you have further questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerald Oginski. Have a great day.